Yamaha E273. This is it. It's supposed to be 61 keys. And it does not work without a power adapter, which is right here. I probably already have one of these, being that I'm a DJ and I usually have, and actually this might fit. I have another device that needs a power adapter, so this might fit. Something else that I have, another keyboard, so it's a MIDI controller. Yeah, I think it takes 12 volt. So anyway, this Yamaha keyboard will either work with 6 AA batteries from what the guy told me at Guitar Center. This is the Yamaha E273. It does not work just... It doesn't come with the cord, at least not at Guitar Center. You would have to buy that separate. I bought what's called a survival kit. That's the box over there. It comes with the headsets, the power cord, and the sustain pedal. Alright, the sustain pedal. So since I'm a newbie at piano, I would suggest when you're first practicing and learning piano, don't focus on buying, all the extra accessories like sustain pedal that comes with, or that does not come with your keyboards. I mean, you can, or if it's part of, hey, if the power adapter is part of a kit and get a sustain pedal, that's great. So this is a $139 with tax. The survival kit box right there, which included those 3 items, is $37.99. With taxes, everything came to $199. I'm not planning on keeping these keyboards, so I do have the receipt in my car. You have a 45-day return policy at Guitar Center. I'll probably keep it a week or so, get my money back, go on to Amazon and buy the bundle for the exact same price, $139, which comes with the table, the piano stand, the microphone, which I really want, because my microphones are condenser mics. I do have I don't have a 1/4-inch mic. I have the half jack or whatever it's called that goes in my speaker. So anyway, this is the Yamaha E273. I'm just unboxing now, and I'm going to take it out of the wrapper, turn it on, and check it out. But the purpose of this video was just to let you know it does not come with the power cord. You have the option of buying the power cord or 6 AA batteries. And I don't know why this camera is unfocusing, but I'm not going to get into any of the specifics yet because I don't know the specifics on this yet. You'd have to check out another video. But basically, this is the Yamaha E273 and 61 keys. And its value, I think it's retailing at $139 online. Guitar Center sells it. You have to buy the power cord separate, or you can just go to the dollar store and buy 6 AA batteries. Yeah, but your best bet would probably be to get it on Amazon and just wait for the delivery. I have an audition in 4 days, so I need this now to practice. All right, well, thank you. Have a great day. It's DJ Riri signing off. Talk to you later. Wish me luck.